with this cold air as it continues this weekend, why not snuggle up with your family and do a fun activity? It's National Puzzle Day, and I spoke to an expert who shares some challenging fun for people really of all ages. Clark, it is so great to meet you. Welcome into Great Day, Washington.
It's so great to be back home in the Washington area.
Yeah, Virginia man, and we're happy that you are bringing us some fun things to do, especially when we've got some winter weather coming our way. You and me are both puzzle fans, so
Absolutely.
we know how much fun it is, but what is it about puzzles, do you think?
Well, the big thing is, and what struck me this year as we head toward National Puzzle Day, which is on Friday, the 29th of January, is we tend to think of them as adult activities, but I'm a dad. My blog is devotedlydaddy.com, and I've been amazed this year to see how much my kids actually engage with puzzles. It's not just grown-ups, and even adult puzzles that you think would be too complicated. They help kids develop spatial reasoning. They help them learn how to sort colors and shapes, and actually learn how kind of to stretch out time and develop patience and problem solving. So they're really great for the whole family.
I love it too. No matter what age, you can do a puzzle and really get the benefits from it. Now, I know you've rounded up some of your favorites for us. So which ones are we going to talk about today?
I'll start with this White House Easter egg roll puzzle from Dowdle Folk Art. I love Dowdle because they're actually first and foremost an art company. Eric R. Dowdle is one of the greatest American folk artists of our time, but every piece of art he does gets turned into a puzzle. You can have a traditional jigsaw puzzle, a wooden puzzle. You can pick the sizes, the shapes, and this one is so apropos. A lot of White House talk these days. Easter is coming up, and Dowdle actually declared it National Puzzle Weekend since the day was on a Friday. You can go to dowdlefolkart.com and they have a sweepstakes. You could win a whole puzzle library for your home.
And what a great teaching moment too, right? You can kind of learn about the White House or learn about a national park or whatever.
And art. You can get your kids engaging with art at a young age, which is so important for so many reasons.
All right, we've got some here that are for more of our younger ones. What do we have here?
This is the Plus Plus Big Picture Puzzle. Plus Plus is such a game changer in the kids' toy space, especially in STEM. We all know some of the bigger brands of classic building and engineering blocks. Plus Plus are these simple little plus-shaped blocks, but man, you can use them to build a million things. And they've actually used their technology to create this picture puzzle game. You use flashcards, and I love this because you can make many different puzzles with it, not just one that's kind of a one and done.
Awesome. And I love that these are learning tools. I see one that kind of help our kids count a little bit.
Yeah, exactly. This is the Habba Counting Friends wood layering puzzle. I love anything wood because it's durable. You get that kind of Montessori simple throwback feeling, which we know is so good for kids. It's not challenging for them, but they're learning shapes, they're learning colors, they're learning numbers. And if mom and dad are doing a big, intense puzzle, you can give this to your 1-year-old and they can feel like they're joining in the fun.
Oh, I love it. And is this last one, it looks like it's kind of turning a puzzle into a game?
Yeah, that's exactly right. This is also from Habba Fiverr, which it becomes a matching game. And then once you have the game, you're finding each other's pieces. And it's super engaging and kind of changes up the notion of what puzzling can be.
I love that. It's evolving, where it's growing with us and just keeping us entertained. Perfect family fun all around. And I know with you, Clark, I recommend getting one of those long mats. Right? To put your puzzle on?
Get a folding table, get one of the mats. Dowdle actually makes a puzzle tray, which is just one of my favorite things. And you don't need to play a tray. This is a floor puzzle. iLearn makes the solar system wooden puzzle. It's made for the floor. It's huge, and you learn the planets while you're puzzling.
Oh, that's so cool. Anything else before I let you go?
Oh, just get into it this weekend, whether it's snowing or rainy and windy in California like it is right now. Make it a weekend event. Get a couple puzzles this week. Go to Dowdle Folk Art, join the sweepstakes, and just enjoy puzzling this weekend with your family.
Awesome, Clark. Thank you so much for being here.
It's been so much fun. Thank you.